This is how you can submit a transfer request on the Cat Rental Store customer portal. When looking to transfer equipment between job sites, let's just say you're done using a piece of equipment, but you like to keep it for the new job that you have going on or that you are about to start. You can use the portal to transfer the machine around and not have to return it. So all you need to do is on this Take Action drop down, select Transfer. You're going to see we're going to open up the contract, and you want to make sure you choose all the actual pieces of equipment you like to transfer. You're going to click the equipment themselves, select the dates in which you like the transfer to happen. You have two options here. You can transfer the equipment to an existing job site, and as you can see, if I click on it, I have a list of all of my open job sites with this particular dealer, or I have an option of including a brand new job site in this process. I'm just going to choose an existing one for now. I select the job site. I also have the option of putting in a brand new PO number in this process. My transportation need, let's just say I'm actually going to move it myself. So I select no, add any additional notes to the dealer, and once I'm ready, I hit submit. That way you can keep your records updated and you can move the equipment and make sure you have them in the latest location of one of your job sites.